Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I invest $100. Okay, let's start with opening our brokerage account and then adding the funds that we're going to invest. So when I started investing, I started with $100, but you can actually add whatever amount you want, whatever amount available, whatever amount that is available for you to invest. So for me, today, the amount that's available is $100. So I have it as $100. So once that's done, we transferred the amount that we're going to invest. We are going to start. Okay, I'm doing a screen recording and I'm just going to show you somewhere here what's happening to the screen. But I'm probably going to block out the information that's private. Okay. So right now we have $100 available for investing. What I usually do is add that $100 to my spreadsheet wherein it figure out what amount I'm going to invest in each sector. So right now you can see I added $100 on the amount to invest, and then you will see on that screen there that it would divide that $100 to each of the sector that I have on my portfolio. So for industrial, it's $6 per company. For communication services, it's $6 per company. Consumer discretionary is $7 per company. Real estate is $11 per company. Healthcare is $3.66 per company. Consumer defensive is $5.05 per company. For financials, I actually do something different with the financials. I weight the company differently. So it says here $7.33, but later I will show you what's the difference between each of the companies weighting. So for technology, it says here that we're going to invest $13 per company. Okay, so we're going to head back to our brokerage account, which is Fidelity. For those of you that ask how can you invest or how can you use Fidelity, Fidelity is actually not available in the Philippines. So Fidelity is only available in selected countries. So let's start with from the bottom to the top. So first off is industrials. That would be UPS. On my company, it says there we're going to invest $6 in there. So right now we're going to select UPS. Then press buy in there, put dollars, then 6. So preview order. Okay, place order. And that is for the industrials. Next is communication services, which is Google. It says on our Google sheet that we're also going to invest $6 per company. And since we only have one company on our communication services, which is Google, we're going to buy $6. So that would be about 0.046 shares of Google. So next is consumer discretionary. It says here $7 per company. So we're going to our consumer discretionary, which is Starbucks. So we're going to buy $7 of Starbucks. So we're going to click dollars and then put $7 in there. And then it says on the ask is 103.15. So that's about 0.067 shares of Starbucks. Next is real estate. It says here we're going to invest $11 per company for the companies under our real estate, which is on our portfolio. It is realty income. So we're going to click realty income, going to put $11, and then we're going to add $51.03. Okay, place order. So that we just added $11 worth of realty income to our portfolio. So right now, these are all orders. We don't know yet if it's a filled up orders, meaning that the transaction is completed, So we can track that using our history over here. We can see that the UPS order is already filled, Google is already filled, Starbucks is already filled, and also the Realty Income order is already filled. So we're on point. Next, after real estate, we're looking at healthcare, which is $3.66 per share. Okay, on our portfolio, we go. One of our healthcare holdings is AVI. So we're gonna buy $3.66 of AVI. Click buy. So if you're wondering why we're doing something different, this is just to show that we can also do a vlog style like this, and maybe maybe if you like it. If you like it, let me know in the comments, or you can like this video if you like this kind of video, and then it would show that I could, show me that you like this kind of format. So it's something that we could keep doing on this channel. Next is Johnson & Johnson. Now we'll buy $3.66 of Johnson & Johnson. So go click buy, click dollars, 3.66, and then we're gonna go put 151.57 cents. All right. Okay, next healthcare company that we're gonna invest $3.66 is Pfizer. So I've been building up my position in here. Recently, Pfizer's yield went up because their stock price went down. And I think that for me, since this is one of my core holdings, I actually bought a lot of Pfizer recently. So that $3.66 is about 0.116 shares of Pfizer. So we're going to place our order. Okay. Next sector that we're going to invest after all that healthcare sector is our consumer defensive sector, which is $5.05 per company. We have two companies under our consumer defensive. That is Coca-Cola and Kroger. So we're going to go click Coca-Cola and select buy, and then we can select dollars, put $5.5 there, and then you buy it for 56.81 cents. That would be 0.096 shares. Next would be our Kroger holdings. So we're going to go open Kroger, select buy, select dollars over here, 5.5. Next is the ask price, $45.57. All right. Okay, after our consumer defensive, next is our financial services. It says here that we are going to invest $7.33 for each of the company, but we're going to adjust that, and I'm going to invest $10 to our Berkshire Hathaway. It would be 35305, and that would be the $10 for Berkshire Hathaway would be 0.028 shares. So that. Okay, so that's done. Next would be our State Street company. We put there $5 instead of $7. $68.10. Okay, next is Schwab. We're also going to use or to buy $5 of Schwab, $56.03. Okay, next on our list is technology companies. But before we move on to our technology companies, we also increase our position on SCHD. We still have $33 to invest. I'm going to invest $10 to SCHD. That would be $7.37. That would be 0.142 shares of SCHD. Okay, next would be our technology companies, which is Microsoft and Apple. So we'll start with Microsoft. Right now we have $18.67. I'm going to buy $9 off Microsoft. That would be 353 75 cents. Okay. And then place order. Click done. Next is Apple, 9 and 82 cents, which is the remaining balance on our cash from the $100 that we added. So we got 176 and 28 cents for the limit price. That would be 0.055 shares of Apple. Now all of that order has been placed. So that's it. We finished buying or investing in our $100. And after that, we're going to update my spreadsheet to track our stocks. So if you get value in this video, let me know in the comments. Subscribe to get more videos like this. And feel free to let me know what's your thought on how I do this process. Is it too much? I find it too much, and I'm actually thinking of making it easier for me. Okay, have a great day.